Hi there, my name's Stuart and I'm from Blacks, and today I'm going to show you how to replace an air beam. So I'm going to be looking at the porch beam, but this applies to all the beams as well. So first of all, you need to get yourself an air beam and jump on our website. Just make sure you're getting the correct one. And once you've got that, it's time to do your repair. So let's take a look at some of the reasons why this might have happened. So when you're replacing a beam, you may have badly damaged your valve or have a really bad puncture. So let's go through the steps of how to remove the beam. First of all, unzip it at either side, and then you'll have a slightly supple beam or fully deflated. Go to your valve cover and drop the PSI a little bit more, and go to the footing areas and take the beam out by removing it from the Velcro. This goes at either side. And then the beam just simply moves out. So you've now got your new air beam and you're looking to pump it up halfway to 2 psi. And this is just so you can make it supple and control the beam as you're putting it through the footing sleeves. So let's get started. So what I've done is I've fed the air beam back into the sleeve, and I've made sure the feet are touching the Velcro tabs. Once you've done this, use the zippers for the middle position from each side, and also make sure you're putting the beam back to a 4.5 psi. So there you have it, and this is how you replace an air beam. Check out some more of our how-to videos, and thanks for watching.